Assalamu alaikum, this is Neha Chauhan from class 12 science. I am here to explain you about my project on embryogenesis. So, embryogenesis is the process in which the development of a single celled zygote into a multicellular embryo. So, in the embryogenesis, the stages is contained first. The stages of embryogenesis contain zygote formation, that is the fusion of male sperm and female ovum, and then form the single celled zygote, and which is a size of approx 0.2 micrometer. And then the zygote is differentiate and growth into a the zygote is differentiate with the cleavage. The cleavage is the process in which the sac divides without growing in the volume and convert into a morula. Morula is the stage which is containing 16 cells, and the morula differentiate and furthermore and divide into a blastula. This is the blastula. As you can see, the blastula can differentiate and divides into different stages and convert into ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. The ectoderm is responsible for the formation of skin. The mesoderm is responsible for the formation of heart, and the rest of the organs, major organ, is responsible for the formation of endoderm. And then the zygote, which is furthermore divided from the several mitotic cell division, goes immediately towards the uterus, and the chronic villi are also developed in it. As you can see, this is the chronic villi developed into the mother fetus. The mother fetus is more mitotic cell divisions. The mother fetus goes from more mitotic cell division, and then the process of gastrulation takes place, in which the cell goes into the uterus, and then the formation of organ takes place, which is known as organogenesis. It is a very interesting fact in there is the organ which is formed firstly is the heart in about 1 month. So as you can see, the fetus is growing inside the mother body, and the rest of the organs is also formed, and the fetus taking nutrition from the uterus, from the umbilical cord of the mother, and the exchange of gases also take place in it. And there is a 9 months of taking to formation of a complete baby and their organs. So, and there is a 3 trimester. Each trimester consists 3 months. In the first month, the formation of heart takes place, in which the heart is formed, and we can see the movement of a fetus by listening its heartbeat by stethoscope. And then in second month, the formation of tiny hind limbs and forelimbs with digits take place. And then the rest of the major organs are formed and take place. And at the last month, the complete baby is formed and lungs are matured, and the baby is ready to be delivered outside from the womb. Thank you.